it's the same old fight. Trapped inside a box trying to find the light. They build the walls up high, I say to stay in line, but inside this static there's a different design. Wasn't looking for trouble, wasn't trying to be fake, just a soul with the fire and a limited take. Now I'm breaking the cage, I'm tearing it down. Feel the shockwave coming, shaking the ground. Make it, make it, make it, make it, own it, own it. Take it until the whole world knows my sound. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming through the speakers, taking over the night. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming with a new fire, burning ever so bright. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm on every playlist, winning every fight, leaving all the doubt in total devastation. I can feel the change in the air I breathe. I can see a future they can't conceive. It's close enough to taste it now, so far from the person I used to be. What in the world is wrong with them? My mom and dad said I was born to win, so you won't hear no crying, no complaining from me, like on every other channel on the damn TV. So just sit right there, don't you touch that dial. Let me borrow your attention for a little while. I can show you a vision of truth.